Good afternoon. My name is Lauren Baker, and today we'll be going over a professional portfolio of a data analyst in data science. This website, right off the bat, aesthetically just looks really great. It's nice colors, and it's also very well organized in what she's been trying to describe. She has an about me where she pretty much discusses how she works remotely as a freelance data analyst and scientist. She talks about as well as where she got her bachelor's and her master's at, and also talking about how many years of experience she has, which is being more than 8 years. She has said she's worked for 25 companies, but however, going through this portfolio, she doesn't really state which companies that she has worked for, other than the amount she has. That's my only nitpick, truly, but I really do think this is a very good portfolio. She even shows the dashboards and pretty much what her work can consist of, and give an example for any company that is interested in picking her up. She's also list off available roles that she can do, such as being a data visualization, being a coach for data projects, and also the rates. She also has her contact for the companies that may want to get in touch with her. And overall, I believe this is a very good portfolio that she presented for companies to check her out as a freelancer. I just do believe that I think it would be better if she would list off the companies that she has worked for in the previous time.